Hello, check, check, hello, hello. Ito yung CR. Dito lahat, name-bag yung mga gamit lahat. As you see, ito yung first pan. Tingnan, bahay ng duck yan, duck. Daming baby dito, pare. Kasi marami ka, ano yan, marami, yung first pan, which is grounded with pens para hindi mawala yung bibi. Tapos tingnan nyo ang aking ginawang bahay ng bibi ko, bibi ni daddy. Soon I will get some too. So sirang-sirang bakod dito yung bibi. Look, ito yung west side duck. See, so many pa. This is kakatapos na mag grass cut ni daddy. So clean cut na siya eh. Daming damo. Ito yung second pan, fish pan. Ito, let's go to the third pan. Actually, we're walking na eh. Walking to the third pan. I got unlimited free ISO games PSP. Just downloaded in Sub-Zero URL. Ito na po yung second one. You see, so grounded with grass. Dito water lily Ganyan, kangkong. Isi meron pang butas sa likod. Third pan. Ito, time ni dad yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Putong yata o balatong. I'm walking. And then, sorry about my English. I'm Taglish. Ito na, third. Fourth. Mas puno pa to eh. Kaysa sa third. Kasi rainy season na. So, di na siya El Nino. Okay, let's cut it.